In this video, I'll show you how to group elements in Canva so you can move, resize, and manage your designs more efficiently. First, go to canva.com and open any design. You can start with a blank canvas or use a template. It works the same either way. To group elements, click on the first element you want to include. Then, hold down the Shift key and click on the other elements you want to group together. You'll see a selection box appear around all of them. Now look at the top toolbar and click Group. Instantly, Canva turns those separate elements into one single unit. When you drag, resize, or rotate it, everything moves together. If you want to ungroup them later, simply click the grouped design and select Ungroup from the top toolbar. This lets you edit each item individually again. You can also use a shortcut to group faster. After selecting multiple elements, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. To ungroup, press Ctrl+Shift+G or Command+Shift+G. Here's a helpful bonus tip. If you don't want something to move accidentally, select it and click the lock icon at the top. This keeps it in place while you adjust other elements. Grouping is especially useful for logos, text with icons, call to action sections, or any design cluster you want to keep aligned. And that's it. That's how you group elements in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.